Today, I will open two types of moon. This one is random moon and this one is cocoa moon. And I will start with the cocoa moon because I will give it the cocoa after when I am done. I will do this one first because it is bright. It is big. I will use this to just cut a little bit so I can. This is something that looks fluffy, and it is pet Sabaya. It looks like a table line. I have to pull this out. This looks very interesting. Looks like a staircase that you can zipper together like this. You have to put it on like this. I don't know how you put it on, but this is a staircase for Coco. It's so comfy. And when I'm just zipping it, so Coco can use it right away. And Coco might destroy it because Coco likes to destroy things. Now I will open the second Coco, and it feels like clothes or a blanket for Coco. So I will open it. Tear it apart. This. And I will use my feet because my feet are strong. I'm doing a very good job.
Daddy, I made it right there when I was sitting down on the couch.
Your daughter.
There's more mail and more mail. Some more mail for Coco and more mail. Let's open the black one because it is very different from the rest of them. Because sometimes the things have very different packaging can have something really good inside. I just need to poke it once, twice. I don't know how I opened it, but I found the opening. It's a sweater, a Christmas sweater. I knew there would be. This looks like the one Coco already has.
But bigger.
Yeah. Just in case Coco will get bigger. Now, I will open this mail. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Hurry up. This is get. It's, I don't know what size, but it is big with buttons and a hoodie. So Coco, when Coco's head is cold, he won't get a brain freeze. And this, I did not open it yet, but looks very confusing on how you put it on. It looks like you put it through. This is the head hole, it looks like. This is the leg hole, it looks like. I don't know. But Coco will try it on later. The last and final Coco meal has arrived, and it feels way different than the last one. So probably I should have tested the feeling first. Where did it go? Yeah. 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 Ah. I don't know how I will open it. So I will just do the easier way. It is a green thing. Dinosaur. A dinosaur. Coco will definitely try this on later. Hooray. Put that in the clothes pile. Good job. Coco now has 3 new clothes. I'll just... Coco? Hello? Coco will come. Coco, today you will try on new clothes. Coco, hello, look please. Coco, you will try on new clothes. Coco, you might run away from this because it looks very scary. You put it on from this. Coco, do not scratch that. Coco, how do you put this thing on? Alright. Yeah, come here. Give me the tail. No! You're not allowed to bite what you just did. Go. Give me. Coco. No. Give me. Coco, this is not a toy. It is a clothes.
It's new. I just got that. What's
We
this?
will try this again.
Is this new?
Yes, this is that is all new.
Cool.
Even this new sweater.
Whoa, that's the same thing.
But bigger. Coco, you need to know how to not bite things because
I wish Coco knew the trick to drop.
yeah, that was true.
That's my wish.
Uh,
Right,
we must
Coco?
start off with the bottom.
And that's the bottom.
No, wait. We need to go up to the hood.
Ow! He bit my nose.
Coco bit my cheek.
Oh.
Coco, look at me.
Oh.
Coco, you must look at
I
me.
don't think I can breathe anymore. Oh.
Coco, you have to behave.
It's like I've been cursed. Yay, we did it. Wait, what? Is this his tail hole?
I'm pretty sure.
That's
Yeah.
for feet.
Oh, feet. Oh.
You put Coco's arms in.
His arms?
Yes. Coco gets very
I
terrified
think
when
this is his tail hole.
Coco gets very terrified.
I think this is his feet.
Coco
Is
gets
this-
very terrified when he's trying on new clothes or clothes that he already wore. Because Coco starts biting everywhere.
Coco, you are crazy. Now what? Oh, these are feet holes.
Okay, here
Give
we
him the
go.
feet holes. Whoa! Oh no, he's an alligator, I think.
Dinosaur.
Okay, Coco, put on the hoodie. Put on the hoodie. This is the first time Coco had feet holes. Right?
What's this? Where do you put this?
That's his feet hole.
There's no opening.
Did you put it on, Liza?
Yes, I did.
Good job.
No, have to let me. I am pro.
Coco, how do you enjoy
Coco's
it?
trying to remove it.
Coco, do you enjoy it?
I don't think he does. He's scared.
Be careful.
Oh
Put
the
on.
big opening on the bottom.
It's just that big opening ruins it. Yay! Be free.
Can I check my baby?
The tabong Amy the butt.
Then go in there, go.
Coco thinks he's scary now.
Coco.
Coco thinks he's scary now. You think you're scary now?
Now Coco has become what he really is.
Yes, he's actually a dinosaur. It's like he's a baby dinosaur with
It
fur.
won't fit on the head. Be careful, my Coco might hurt.
On the box.
Or might get hurt.
I'm gonna show Daddy.
Okay, moving on.
Daddy. Oh no. He has a tail. It seems like he has 2 tails now.
Come on, Coco. Go down.
That's what Coco actually is. He turned into what he is. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like it. You like it or no?
Coco doing?
Coco was doing this. He was doing that same thing when he tried to remove the bandage, but he did it 3 times.
Naiirit.
Stairs! Stairs! Oh.
Coco, you will try up the stairs now. Coco, what will you do with the stairs?
Coco has pets. Pet spot.
Okay, Coco, try out the new stairs.
Try out the stairs, Coco.
Try out the stairs.
Try out the stairs. It's epic. Try out the epic stairs. Coco hates it, I think. I think he's
Let
scared of it.
him do it. Let him do it.
Coco,
Go to daddy. Go to daddy.
to the old. Do you want to go to the epic
Coco's
thing?
sitting like a human.
Yeah, at the where's the water bottle? Oh, at the cup. Do you want to? Can I show you something cool? I did it.
Oh, you did instead of saying.
Ow, but mommy's. It's mommy's.
That's my 3rd time. I did it first try earlier. I mean this right time. Right now.
Don't like it. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Coco,
Ah,
it's your new stuff.
I want to see if I can.
Does he like it?
No, you might.
Coco. We're trying to do a bottle flip.